Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to add jQuery in Angular 8. First you need to install jQuery. So write in the CLI command npm install jQuery -- save. This is the CLI command. Press enter. Because this one I am going to use this package, so this jQuery folder package you can find in the node underscore module. So open the node underscore modules, and here you can see that one jQuery. This one is the jQuery, right? Now open that package.json. Here you need to add the reference of that jQuery. Oh, sorry, not this one. Angular.json. Sorry for that. So here, once you will open that angular.json, here you can see that script tags. So here you need to add the package path. So package path is that node underscore module. Just copy that one, node underscore module. Paste it here. Then you have to go jQuery, then jQuery, and copy that this one. Let's make it double quote. Okay, then you have to add the dist. Then copy that jQuery main.js. So path has been added. Now open that. Now we are ready to use that jQuery. So open that app component.cs, open the src folder, app folder, then you will see that one app component.ts, and open one more app component.html. Just delete this code, app component.ts. So here you need to import star as dollar from jQuery. Okay, now here implements, here it will be on in it. To implement this one, because this is the interface, you have to implement that one, ng on init. So here we will write like a jQuery code. First one is the $document.ready function. Once DOM will load, then function. Now here we are going to create two text box. One is that first number, that input type is text, id tst, first number. Okay, then next second number, again breakpoint. So input type is a text, id equal to txt, second number. So we have created the two text box. Now going to create one button, that is a button, or write that input type is going to button, name, click or add number, right, and ID will be button add number. Okay, now I'm going to call this one, we'll write like a where first number, same like that how we are writing in jQuery, dollar hashtag dot value, that for first number. Okay, then where second number, same way, dollar, you have to use hashtag dot value. Now before that we have to write dollar that button click. So what's the button name? Button add number dot add this one, put this one into inside of that click event, right. Now this value we have to display into alert box, alert parse int, that will be the first number, then plus parse int, it will be the second number. Okay, now here we will get the result. Then run the application with the command of ngserve -- open. I'll put the name of that, name of the button, that is a value, add number, save it, just enter that 34 43, press add number. Now you can see that 77, here 5 or 7, press add number. Now you can see that 12. Now I hope you understand that one, how to add jQuery in Angular 8. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please write in the comment.